Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. So basically, today I made no trades today, right? So basically, today was a CPI day, so I didn't want to trade it. I didn't want to trade it just like to get part of like the chop in the market because I know that the market generally gets quite choppy when it's leading into a big news release or something like that. So basically, I was expecting the market to stay within a range until the news actually came out. When the news actually came out, which was exactly at 2 o'clock, you can see that the chart on the chart here, exactly at 2 o'clock, you can have like computers reading the news, people reading just the important part of the news, and then making a move. So from that, the market immediately went down. As you can see, we had a summary of economic projections today for release at 2 p.m. So the news came out exactly 2 p.m. How they can digest the news very fast and just make a play off of it, but I didn't really want to play it. And as you can see, you had a big move down, and then you had like a big move up, which this could have cleared you out if you were too greedy and didn't take out all your profits there. It came down to the it came close to the support line here but didn't touch it, and then you had a reversal with a close here, open here, push all the way up to around here, which would have hit some people's stop losses, and then came right back down here to close and then continue. So basically, I wanted to play the triple leverage QQQ today to the upside, right? So I'm gonna show you the position that I had. I have a picture right here. Let me show the picture. So basically, I had this play ready to go today. I had a TQQ 200 shares, 23. So at 23.40, I wanted to go bullish, and then I had a stop loss at around 25. So I just wanted to get the run up, try to hit the previous high, and exit thereafter if we had that move to the upside. If we were to flip it, I'm pretty sure it would have been similar to the upside there if you were to flip it. But anyways, what I learned today is that it would be good to have positions both ways in the event to catch any move. So that's what I definitely wanted to do this video and share that insight that I think I gained today, that even though it didn't hit this level, there would have been some opportunity for me to play it from this level to close to around this level and make some money as well, and just keeping the stop losses relatively tight to ensure that I'm not allowing the market to whiplash me into both positions, right? So that's basically what happened today. I did not have any trades at all today, and we'll see how the market tends to play out after this. I'm seeing where it's basically saying that Jerome Powell and the Fed, they agree that they're going to lift rates by 0.5 basis points, which is kind of slower, but at the same time they're still continuing to raise rates, which is still bad for financial conditions. But we'll see how it continues to play out. That's just how the TQQ played today. As you can see, the TQQ is quite identical to the QQQ, even though it is leverage, even though it's a triple leverage ETF, and the QQQ, the straight up ETF, regular ETF, it plays very similar. So you can catch a lot of the moves without even putting up the entire amount of capital. And the thing with this is that you can trade more shares with this and capitalize off say a $3 move, and this you would have to have more capital to trade a lot of shares with this to capitalize from what would you say today's move was a $4 move. So you have a $4 move on here, and then you have Let's see what kind of move we had today. I like a $1 move. So can even just use the average true range to see like what kind of moves you be getting. So wow, average on average you're getting a move of what, 0.48, and is that, I think that's per hour. I think that's per hour. And then the QQQ, let's see what the average true range is. Average true range. Oh, not symbol search. Average day range, my bad. Average day range on this, my apologies. Average day range. Let me clear. I think it's average true range actually. I think it's the same thing, but see, it's 0.40, and then on this you're having a move of 1.53 there. So that's how you know how much you can capitalize, how much you can expect to capitalize from some moves intraday, depending on the ticker. So we had quite some moves to the downside. I must say the dollar did not respect this move. The dollar still made a move to the downside, right? The dollar still kind of made a move to the downside. It had that push up, which is interesting because it's, wait, that is actually accurate. This big green candle on the dollar would be the exact same thing as the big red on the, would be the same as the big red on the QQQ, because that's 2 o'clock. So maybe there's still some form of confluence there. I'd like to see it play out when kind of this news fizzles out and we see what, how the market chooses to digest and process this and go forward. But all in all, that's it for today, guys. Sorry I didn't make a trade, but still I journaled the process, what I had planned to play, and we'll see if any of this is beneficial to you, and we'll take it, or I'll take it again tomorrow. So let's see how it goes. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.